I would definitely say music, wine, and a good candle. It's all about relaxing. Hey Apartment Therapy, welcome to my 756 square foot apartment in Echo Park. I've always been a rebel. My mom can attest to that. So I still have that in me, even though I'm more mature now. But yeah, like I was the kid who ran out and got a tattoo without permission. So if I had to describe my style, I would definitely say it's edgy, colorful. Like I love nude art and things that could offend people. I love stuff like that, like really striking things. The art that sits on the side of my bed, it says too much and not enough. I really love this piece because I'm a Gemini. We're all about duality and the signs of the twins, and a lot of people like to say we're two-faced, even though we're not. But this just kind of like contradicts itself, and I feel like that speaks to my personality. My living room was actually inspired by the pillows that I have. That's how I kind of chose the color scheme and everything. It's a Kelly Wearstler fabric. I'm obsessed with Kelly Wearstler, so I was really happy to finally get some pillows with her fabric on it because it's very pricey, but it was worth the investment. I literally fall asleep on that couch every single night. I need to get out of that habit, but I love my couch. It's so comfortable. One thing that somebody probably wouldn't know about me walking into my space is that I love to create. So I have a ton of stuff under my bed, like paint, wax to make candles. I'm always experimenting and trying things. Next up is I want to get clay to try to make clay earrings. I am an interior designer, so I have a lot of experience with putting rooms together, especially for renters, because that can always be a challenge of how do you make an apartment your own. A way that I can create a home, even though this is an apartment and eventually I'll be leaving, is to really just put my own personality on things. So I created this really fun wavy wall situation. I didn't want to paint the entire space, so I opted for like half the wall, and I actually love the way that it turned out, as well as the art that's above my sofa, which I did, and I'm also very proud of that as well. Over here, we have a built-in desk. So when I first moved in, I actually tried to use this space as a desk, and I hated it. It's dark, it felt like a cave. I sat with this for a little bit. I really didn't know what I wanted to do, and then eventually I came up with the idea of like a bar. It's super cute. So my balcony, you can access it from the living room. So at the end of the day, like walking in and being greeted by my dog, and then, kicking my shoes off, having that glass of wine and turning on some music, it just really puts me in like a very chill vibe. I love this space. It's all about relaxing.